Hey, thanks for stopping by today. Ready to turn your home into a happier haven? Well, I have 3 easy tips and tutorials for doing just that. Let's get into my first tip, which starts right at the front door. Have you ever wondered what impression your front entrance makes? Does it make you feel at peace or even smile when you walk up to it? Believe it or not, your front entrance conveys a message to all who approach. So let me show you how to invoke a sense of happiness at your doorstep. As you can see, I was so unsure of what I wanted to add to the entrance, but I knew I wanted to keep it simple. In this case, I sketched out various ideas on my graph paper. Now, once I decided on a tentative plan, I began looking for inspiration. You can look around your neighborhood to get ideas, look through magazines, or go to my favorite place, which is Pinterest. First, look for what grabs your attention, then study why it draws you in. This will give you an idea of the type of decor you like as well as colors you gravitate towards. Now, I found that the door basket really spoke to me, so I decided it was a look I wanted to shoot for. I wanted to try the layered rug look, so I went to Amazon to find some combinations. I love natural cocoa mats and deep colors, so that's what I typed into my search. Here are just a few options I saved. All in all, I ended up ordering a monogrammed cocoa mat. Yes, it's a little bougie, but I really like the custom touch. I also grabbed these tall planters for some greenery. You know I love plants. Once I had my orders placed, I hit the pavement to visit some stores. After doing a little research, I found that this basket was actually at Kirkland, so I stopped by. Next, I went to Hobby Lobby to get some florals for it. These simple ones here were 50% off, so yeah, I got them. Now, I will be using this large command hook to hang my door basket on. It is very sturdy and it will leave no marks or holes on my door. Always start your projects from a clean slate. Be sure to remove all decor, debris, and dirt from your area. Kirkland's came through with this basket. I really like the look of it. As you can see, I added a floral block in the bottom and stuck my floral stems in randomly to create a full look. All of my items made it in from Amazon, so I laid out those rugs to get the creases out. Check me out using a drill, okay? I had to put some holes in the bottom of these planters for drainage. Make sure you do this step. Now, these lovely ferns will bring a sense of calm to the porch as they are so inviting and beautiful. Ferns are my #1 recommendation for bringing happy to the front porch. Believe it or not, that's about it for tip #1. So let's take a quick peek back at the before. Now check out the after. This came out so great. It is very simple yet welcoming. As you can see, it does not take much to create a happy hello at the front door. Now let's talk about my favorite home enhancer. Yes, you guessed it, plants. Did you know plants have been proven to boost your mood and your happiness levels? For this reason alone, I implore you to consider adding a couple to your home. Not like this, nor this. So let me show you how. As you can see, this small wall in my home needs a little something something. So let's bring it to life with a plant and some small accessories. Now I found these matching wood art frames at Hobby Lobby, so I played around with them to see how I wanted to hang them on the wall. I noticed they exposed a different pattern depending on the way you turn them, so I hung them diagonally from different ends to create visual interest. As you have probably figured out, I stopped by where? Yes, IKEA. Why? Because their plant section is top tier. I stopped by there to pick up this palm. Now, majestic palms can be used both indoors and on outdoor porches and patios. This basket is from World Market. It comes in 3 sizes, so I picked up the smallest for this tiny wall. The rocks are from Hobby Lobby and the planter is from good old Walmart. Now, I will say I am a fan of their home decor these days. All right, guys, watch me work. Look at how simple and nice this wall turned out. I credit it to the plant. Plants create positive energy and flow into your home, and as you can see, it didn't take much to bring this wall to life. Now, if you prefer to group plants together, this is an example of how I would do it because they are arranged neatly. You can also consider spreading out your plants and using various planters that coordinate in color around your home. This is my preferred method. If you are a beginner in the plant realm, I would suggest starting your plant journey with the pothos, better known as an ivy, for it is by far the easiest plant to grow. Ivies are easy to take care of because they do not require a lot of water, light, or attention, and they literally indicate when they are overdue for water. Now, this ivy on my table is in need of some water. You can see it has limp leaves and it has some yellow stems. If you see yellow stems, gently pull them upwards to take them off the vine. Unhealthy yellow stems pull life from the healthy green ones. So after you pull out the yellow or dead leaves, just add a little water to your planter. As you can see, the ivy had already bounced back by day's end. They are literally this easy to take care of. I love them and I have several around my home. My final tip for today in creating a happy haven is smell. Having a pleasant scent in your home can boost your mood instantly. Besides opening a window to move out old energy, I will admit I like to infuse scent in my home in a variety of ways. My favorite is this room diffuser I picked up from Amazon. You just fill it with water, then add your favorite scented oil to it, and it sends a calming, fragrant mist into the air. Now, another option I like to use around our home are these wax melt plugins. I like to add the same scent block of wax in each one for a cohesive smell. So when you turn these on, they melt the wax and scent your air. When you turn them off, they harden again, so they are pretty easy to maintain. I change out the wax when the scent starts to dull. My quickest go-to for a scent boost is this room spray by Mrs. Meyer's. I like to use this in my entrance and around the front door. This scent is so fresh and so clean. I pick it up in the cleaner aisle at my local grocery store. Don't sleep on this scent. I love it. I appreciate you spending time with me today. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please do so and make sure you catch me next time.